nature journal, we can learn how we can protect nature through climate change. In this course, I will share with you all the process of nature journaling. You will learn the skills of observation in the outdoors, note-taking and research, and sketching your subject and creating a diagram, and drawing your subject in a sequence, adding colors, and creating a color palette. And you're gonna write a story from your observation. I hope this class inspires you to find greater connections to the environment around you. I'm excited to get started. See you there!